in the left lane. And Redwood on-ramp to westbound 580 in the Castro Valley area. We have some defective traffic signals causing a bit of problems. No problems on our bridges, the Bay Bridge, no metering lights, no problems on the Golden Gate, Richmond, San Rafael, San Mateo, or Dunbarton. That's traffic. I'm Mel Baker.
You're listening to Bob Tannum in the Garden on Talk Radio 560 KSFO.
Good morning, everybody. This is Bob Tannum in the Garden with Edie Tannum, and we'll welcome everybody to listen in. We're going to have some guests on this morning from the Friends of the Japanese Tea Garden, San Francisco, and we have John Ware and Stephen Pitzenbarger. These gentlemen have two different roles at the gardens, and we're going to just have a good time talking to them. Right now, I just wanted to let you all know that David Farrow is my producer, and this is show number 3,330 of Bob Tannum in the Garden. And so, yes, if you do have questions of any sort, I do invite you to call in. I know time can be short, and you just want to get that question in if you want. That's 808-5600. That's 415-808-5600, just in case. And in the meantime, let me introduce our guests. I've got Stephen Pitzenbarger.
Yes, Japanese garden supervisor, which I've done since 2000.